Welcome to round 4. Now we're going to put it all together. So I've showed you the body weight squat and I've shown you some body weight push-ups. How do we put it together into a circuit? Easy. Start with the squats. Always try and start with your lower body exercises first. So you're going to start with 25 deep body weight squats. When you've done 25 squats, I want you to get down on the ground, no rest in between, and do 25 push-ups. Now you can start on your toes, and then when you have to drop down to your knees, drop down to your knees. But I want you to really start on your toes. When you've done 25 push-ups, stand back up, set yourself up in a squat position, and do another 25 squats. When you've done 25 squats, go back down on the ground and give me another 25 push-ups. Now that's 2 sets. Depending on what your fitness level is, that should be enough. But if you've got some more energy and your muscles can handle it, go for a 3rd set. Hey, even a 4th set. It won't hurt you.